Good morning. Kain na ka hot cereal, anak. Very good. Oo. Mukha na ka ng cereal. What day today? Thursday. It's number 5 days in the week. In a week. Right, baby? So, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Number 5 is Thursday. Is it a sunny day today, GL? Psst. Look, Mama. What are you eating, baby? You're eating a hot cereal. But it's not hot anymore, of course. Mama cool it down already, right? Do you like it? Can you say good morning? Good morning, people. Keep eating, anak ko. What is that? Dirty na name mo food. Finish eating first. Yun na. Finish your food before you play. Good job. Good job, my baby.